In INST 7200, Standard 1D, implement strategies for initiating and sustaining technology innovations and manage the change process in schools and classrooms. I met the standard through the development of the executive summary. I reviewed planning and strategies for funding for new technology, which included equipment, warranties, and training quotes for professional development. Though D is different than the public school system from a financial standpoint, our funding comes from one resource or one entity, and that's the Department of Defense. With a total of $2 billion allocated for schools each fiscal year, stateside and abroad or overseas, that encompasses all of our funding. My model was to develop a proposal for more funding to purchase technological components, retrofitting the entire district. I work in the Southeast District, and our district, this is one of the things I wanted to try to push for, to have everything retrofitted moving forward for 21st century learning. I concluded that the effect of staff, stakeholders, admin, and the superintendent would help identify student needs in technology and bridge the gap for 21st century learning environment we are creating. Our overall goal was to formulate a technology initiative that would develop and support each student, giving them the ability to reach their highest learning potential. We currently have a one-to-one initiative for students. They don't have to share computers, and that makes the student learning environment more effective.